See how we can enroll the Windows 10 device into Microsoft Intune portal. So for this, we will go to our portal.office.com and we will create a user there. So let's go to our Microsoft admin portal. We can go to portal.office.com as well as to admin.microsoft.com. So let's go to our portal, and from there I will go to our admin.microsoft.com, and here I will create a user. So user creation is easy, as you have seen in our previous videos if you follow the playlist. And the assigning license is also, since we are on the free plan, so we can easily create users accordingly. So I have created a user here. So this user I will take Ramesh at cloud459.com. Now after that, what we will do, we will answer create an enterprise mobility license. We can assign the license to these users after creating it. Okay, so for this I have, as my user is already active directory user, which is here in my case it's Ramesh at cloud459 on microsoft.com. So it is already a part of Azure Active Directory, and it's joined to the domain, which is my cloud 459 domain. Now here I will create a group. So now I will add this user to the specific group, and group also I have created. So group creation is also easy. I can go to groups here. This is the active users. Now when we go to groups here, called the now Entra portal. So I will go to the Entra portal once, so to show you like how it looks. And here entra.microsoft.com, which is our portal, and I have logged in with my primary account, which is my when I have taken the license for Active Directory, or when I have utilized my free license. So that portal I have logged into the Entra portal as well, entra.microsoft.com. Okay, so here you can see that we have two licenses, Enterprise Mobility plus Security E5, and second is Microsoft Office 365 Business Standard. Now guys, we have to enroll this Windows 10 device, which is in my VMware workstation I have set up. So this Windows device I have to enroll into the Intune portal. So for this, it's very easy, guys. So we will follow the step-by-step procedure. So since I have a security groups assigned, I will add a license to this group. So this is the my license. You can see enterprise mobility. This is the requirement for it, and it is a trial license. So you can say that it is a free of cost, and if we don't have to do anything for this. It will automatically assign. We'll add this license to our group. So in our lab we have, if you are following my playlist, you might be knowing that I have created an autopilot Intune group name with the name autopilot Intune group, since we enroll the devices. Okay, so I have go will assign this group now. This users, Ramesh user, I will assign the security group. So I will go to here, groups tab, manage groups, and I will assign the membership, guys. So here you can see that autopilot Intune group is there. Okay, as per our agenda, we would be assigning the license to these groups. Okay, now I will do the assignment of one license is already assigned to these groups. When we have created it, you can see. Okay, now we will assign to Ramesh. We'll assign this group to the Ramesh. So we'll add this Ramesh in the group. Okay, assign membership. It is getting failed. Let's see. Okay, it will take an hour for to enable me membership written. Okay, so we'll have to wait for some time in order to provision this into this our Intune security group which we have created. So this we have already done. The SN membership we can assign to this group as well. But for based purpose, since we have done the automatic enrollment, okay, we have provisioned that, so we will assign to that group only. So let's see here. Here I have assigned the license to the Ramesh user, which is enterprise mobility and secure, and I had done save changes. So these changes have been saved. So now we have assigned the what we have done. We have assigned this user the license. We have added the user into the autopilot Intune group, which is a security group. Now what we will do, we will ensure that our this user should be able to log into the our Windows 10 machine, and it will be able to enroll we will be able to enroll the devices into the Intune portal, guys. Okay, so I will close this and I will go to intune.microsoft.com, which is our Intune portal, guys. So after logging to Intune, you will see that devices we will follow. It's Windows device. We will have to enroll it, but for this we have to do the enrollment by means of MDM URL. Okay, so here we will do the MDM URL. We will follow, which is mobile device management. So through that URL we will assign the device to our Intune portal. So after enrollment, you will see the device will reflect here. Okay. So for this, we have to go to device. Here you can auto enroll devices. So as you are seeing my previous video, you would come to know that when we have created the autopilot profile group, we have added the Windows 11 device, which is my on PC. But now when we add our this device, Windows 10 device, we would be able to see or check this device here after assignment. Okay, so here I can also do this part. I will install the VMware tools also in this device, but we will install it later. So this Windows device I will enroll.